Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I'm here, your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting, I have some instruction for all of you. Kindly listen and follow them carefully. First of all of you sit quietly and properly in front of your screen. Nobody will raise hand. Don't raise hand during class. If you have any one question and concern, you can chat me but in last given minutes. As you know that my dear student, yesterday I have completed unit number 9, solid and liquid. And today I am starting today I am starting unit number 16, sound. Okay, my dear students, let's start. Unit number 16 and the topic is sound. Okay. Unit is number 16, sound, which is present in your book, page 64. So, those students who have book in your hands right now, open your book, unit number 16, sounds. In book, page number 64. This is your unit number 16, sounds, in book, page number 64. I am starting unit number 16, sound. Listen carefully. What sounds can you hear? We make sounds with our voices and we hear sounds with our ears. Some sounds are loud and some are soft. Which pictures show loud sound and which one shows soft sound? These all description I will show you in given slides. So let's start. Wow, do you hear anyone sound? So now, this time, listen carefully. What sounds can you hear? For this activity, first all of you close your eyes. First of all of you close your eyes. Very good. Now listen carefully. What sound do you hear now? Listen carefully. What sounds can you hear? Very good. Now open your eyes. Very good. I hope you all have listened different sounds. Some students have listened fan sound. Some students said, teacher, I listen your voice. Teacher, I listen your sound. Mama sound. Mobile sound. There are many sounds which you have listened right now. So listen carefully. What sounds can you hear? My question is this, and you have listened different types of sounds right now. This time you have listened one more sound. This time you have listened clapping sound. Which sound you have listened? Clapping sound. But my question is this, my dear student, how people make sounds? So in this topic, I will give you the description, detailed explanation about that how people make sounds. People make sounds when speaking, clapping, singing song. How people make sound? How you listen sound of other people? You listen sound of other people when people speaking, clapping, singing song, and there are many other different ways by which you listen the different sound of people. Okay, this one is about the definition of sound. First of all, everybody take the screenshot of this slide because I have given this slide in your home task. So let's start the definition of sound. What is sound? Sound is the form of energy. Sound is the form of energy. It means that as you have learned in the unit food energy, healthcare. In healthcare, I have told you about the energy definition. What is energy? Energy means ability to do work. The ability to do work, the power of doing anything is called energy. So the power of listening is called sound. Sound is the form of energy. Sound is the form of energy. And how you use this energy? When you listen sound, you use this energy. Sound travel in waves. What is waves? I will show you. But listen first. Sound travel in waves and can be heard. I will explain you. Look at this. This is your air picture. What is this? This is your air picture. This is our air picture. And when anyone speak, in front of you. When anyone speak, clap, singing a song, these types of waves comes in your ear and you hear the voice, you hear the sound. Look at this picture, everybody. Everybody, look at this picture carefully. These are waves. These are the waves of sound which you hear in your ear. For example, I am talking to you, and how you listen? How can you listen me? Because my sound reach in your ear by the sound waves. When I talk to you, my sound comes in your ear by the sound waves. These all are the sound waves. Okay, my dearest student, this is the picture of air and how sound travel. Sound travels in waves and we listen sound of any other people, any other thing by the help of sound waves. One more time, I am showing you again. Sound is the form of energy. Okay, you got it. This means sound is the form of energy, and energy, I have told you that the ability to do work. Sound travel in waves, which I have shown you, and can be heard. So that definitely you can be heard the sound when sound travel, sound waves come in your ear. Okay, my dearest student. Sound is the form of energy. Sound travel in waves and can be heard. I have showed you that this is the air picture and you can see the waves. You can see the waves of sound, and these sound waves when come in your ear, you listen the different voices. Got my point? This is air. This one is air. You have read in unit senses that air. What is the function of air? How we use air? We use air for hearing. For hearing. And how do we hear sound? We hear sound by the sound waves. When anyone talk to you, when any one type of sound comes to you, it travels by the sound waves. It travels by the sound waves. Listen, look at this carefully. Sound is the form of energy. Very good. Sound travel in waves and can be heard. Yes. Now this time you have the clear your concept about the sound waves. These all are the sound waves. Different types of sound waves comes in your ear when you listen any type of sound voices. Okay. Next topic. One more sound you have listened right now. Okay. Now I will share with you about the we make sounds with our voices. How you listen sound? One more time. We make sound with our voices. Voices. This line is present in your book, page number 64. And those students who are very good, they have opened their book because they have needed. When teacher share with you the any one topic, you have to keep your book with you. It will help you for making your concept clear about those lines which your teacher sharing with you. So we make sound with our voices. We have in your book. We have in our book page number 64. We make sounds with our voices and we hear sound with our ears. That I have shared with you that we make sound with our voices. We hear sound with our ears. Got my point? Now the next one, loud and soft sound. There are two types of sound. There are two types of sound. Look at in this picture. Observe this picture carefully. In this picture, you found loud and soft sound. Woman, she is shouting. It means she is making loud sound. Lion roar. Loud sound. He is whispering. Okay. It's mean soft sound. Lion is sleeping. Okay. Soft sound. And the boy is also sleeping. Okay. So soft sound. I will give you the more description about the loud and soft sound, but look at this. Some sounds are loud and some are soft. As in your daily life you feel, you listen to different type of sounds. Some sounds are loud, some sounds are soft. For example, loud sounds are bell sound. Okay, when anybody ring your bell, you hear it How you heard it? Because bell sound is loud sound. For example, when you turn on your TV volume high, so it's make the loud sound. When you make your TV volume soft, it's make the soft sound. Okay, so clear your concept about the loud and soft sound. I am telling you again and again, some sounds are loud and some are soft. Okay, now I am giving you the description about the sound. That loud sound has a high volume. High volume. Loud sound has a high volume while soft sound has a low volume. Okay. You have many times when you use your TV remote control, you make the volume, you make the TV volume high and low. How you make the TV volume high and low? By the uses of volume option in your remote control. So you understand about the volume. Loud sound has a high volume, while soft sound has a low volume. Okay, listen my sound carefully, then identify this which time my sound is high. My sound which time is high, high. This time is my sound is high. But now listen carefully. Soft, soft. This time our sound is soft. Okay, so observe the sound carefully. Loud sound has a high volume while soft sound has a low volume. Banging of a hammer. Hammer. Banging of a hammer. Do you have idea about the hammer? I will show you the hammer picture. This is the hammer picture. This is the hammer. This is the hammer picture. Okay. Banging of hammer. Do you hear anyone sound in your TV? Sorry, do you hear anyone sound right now? Yes, this sound is loud sound, which I prepared for you, that loud sound. Loud sound has a high volume while soft sound has a low volume. Banging of a hammer, which I have showed you, has loud sound. And a car horn also loud sound. For example of loud sounds, banging of a hammer and car's horn are example of loud sound. While playing of a piano, while playing of a piano and sound of blowing wind are examples of soft sound. Okay, my dearest student, everybody listen me carefully and think about what am I telling you? That loud sound has a high volume and soft sound has a low volume. Banging of a hammer and car's horn are example of loud sound, while playing of a piano and sound of a blowing wind are example of soft sound. I show you one more thing. Loud sounds in city. In city, when you go on the road, you see the traffic, transport on the road, and all the traffic transport make the loud sound in city. Okay, this picture is also given in your book page number 64. You can observe the picture in your book page number 64. There is also a given picture of transport, a man who is drilling. In your book picture, I am talking to you about your book picture. In your book picture, you can see transport and a man who is drilling a road. Okay, these all things make a loud sound. And loud sound, you can observe in this picture different types of loud sound. Traffic horn. Okay, traffic horn, people noises make loud sound. It's mean loud sound in city. But do you hear it? This one is the loud sound. This one is the loud sound. And one more thing. Loud sound can damage your hearing. Loud sound can damage your hearing when you listen many times, more and most of the time. Loud sound, when you listen music in a loud sound, what happens? It will damage your hearing. It will damage your hearing. So everybody be careful when you listen music in loud sound. You have to make the volume soft and slow. When you listen TV volume, when you listen anyone news on a TV or a music, so you have to make your volume soft and low. One more time, calm atmosphere in village. One more picture which you can see in your book, page number 64. In this picture, you can see the picture of a village, and this one is also a picture of village. As you observed in previous slide, that is a huge transport in city. But what about the village? Village, village. This is the picture of village. Calm atmosphere in village. Calm atmosphere in village. No one loud voices in the village. Every person is in calm feeling, calm atmosphere in village. It makes your hearing nice. But in city, there many more transport which makes your hearing damage. Okay. But in what about the village? Calm atmosphere in village. Okay. One more thing which I am telling you here. Soft and loud sound examples. Now this time I am giving you the examples of soft and loud sound. According to this picture, I will identify for you which one is the soft, which one is the loud sound. So first of all, ringing of alarm clock. What do you think about it? Ringing of alarm clock is loud sound. How you wake up in the morning? You wake up in the morning when you listen ringing of alarm clock. Okay, mama set alarm for you because you wanna wake up in the early morning. So mama make a alarm in a clock for you. When it ringing of alarm clock, you wake up and it's make a loud sound. Birds chirping, birds chirping, birds chirping, soft sound. When birds chirp, they make soft sound. When birds chirp, it's make soft sound. Whispering. When anyone talk to any other ear, when anyone talk to any other in his or her ear, it's whispering and it's make a soft sound. It's make a soft sound. But whispering is not a good habit. Okay, keep in your mind. Shouting. Shouting makes loud sound. Banging of hammer. Banging of hammer, I have showed you it's make loud sound. Car horn. Car's horn make loud sound. What about the flute? Have you seen flute? Flute is a musical instrument. Flute is a musical instrument and it makes very much soft sound. Flute is a soft sound object. It makes very much soft and pretty sound. Most of the people want to hear flute sound because it's make the pleasant effect on our mind. What about the drum? Drum has soft sound or a loud sound? Drums, drum, loud sound. Dogs bark. You listen many times the dogs bark. Then this is the sound of dog bark. Dogs bark. It's mean loud sound. Fire alarm. Fire alarm. Loud sound. Smoke alarm. Loud sound. Playing of piano. Soft sound. Playing of piano. Soft sound. Wind blowing. Soft sound. So in this picture you identify the loud and soft sound object. So everybody keep in your mind that there are many soft sound object and there are also many loud sound object. Okay. One more thing. Animals also make sound. As you listen many different animals' voices nowadays in your daily life, for example, you listen the cat voice, dog voice, parrot voice. Okay, so it's mean animals also make sounds. Which type of makes animal sound? I am showing you. Observe in this picture. In this picture, there are many different animals. there are different animals, and I will tell you about the lion sound, from elephant sound, and parrot sound, and other many different animal sounds. Look at this picture. In this picture, who is what is this? Dog. And what about the dog sound? Dog bark. Dog barks. Okay? Dog sound is bark. Dog barks. And what about the elephant? Elephant sound is trumpeting. Elephant sound is trumpeting. You can see the word elephant, trumpet. What about the sound? Listen carefully, because these all sounds are included in your book, page number 66. Okay, so I have made it for you that you have to clear your concept about the different sound, the different animals sound. Elephant trumpeting, dog bark. Okay, now this one, look at in this picture, cat. And what is cat doing? Cat makes sound mew. Cat sound mew. Cat sound is mew. Okay. Do you like cat? Oh. So what the sound name of cat? Cat's mew. Cat's mew. Okay. What about this? Oh. Lion. Lion is the king of forest. Lion is the king of jungle. And what type of sound it make? Soft or loud? Definitely, lion make loud sound. Lion make loud sound. And lion sound called roars. And lion sound called roars. Okay, my dearest student, look at in this picture. You see the lion, and the lion sound called roars. All of you have observed this picture. In this picture, I am telling you about the different animals sound. Okay. Now this one. Look at in this picture. What a beautiful bird. Look at this. What a beautiful bird. And what about the bird sound? Birds chirp and squawk. You can find this in your book, page number 65, that birds chirp and squawk. Okay? Birds chirp and squawk. Its mean bird sound called chirp and squawk. Look at this bird singing song. So the sound of the bird is called chirp and squawk. Okay. In your book, page number 66, you have the picture of parrot. So what the name of the parrot sound? It is chirp. Very good. Now that this time I made for you the different animals list of sound. Animals sound. In this picture you can see that elephant trumpet. The sound of the elephant is trumpet, which I have shown you. Look at this. In this picture I have showed you that elephant sound is trumpeting. Dog barks. As you have observed this, cat sound is mew. Elephant roars, and birds chirp and squawk. And this time I have made a list for you that elephant trumpet, cat sound mew and purr, cow sound called moo. Have you all listened to all animal sound? Okay. Dog bark, donkey hee-haw, frog sound ribbit, frog, mouse sound squeak, lion roar, sheep bark. What about the word which I have shared with you? Bird sound is chirp sound. And one more word which we are using with the bird sound, that is about the squawk. We use the word squawk with the bird sound. Okay, my dearest student. And one more thing, one danger animal is snake. What the sound make a snake? Hiss. Have you listened to the snake sound? Anytime? Yes, a snake make the sound. This kind of sound you have listened? Okay, and a snake is very dangerous animals. I have told you when you learned about the unit 6 wild animals, I have shared with you that snake is very dangerous animal. Now, but this time I am sharing with you about the animal sound, and the snake sound is this. Okay, my dearest student, I hope you all have the clear understanding about the different animals sound that I have shared with you many times. I am sharing with you for you because this question is very important for you because you have to keep in your mind the different animals sound. Okay, now this time machines also make sound. You can find this line in your book page number 65 that machines also makes sounds. You have many machines in your home and you have listened the different voices of machines. Some machines make the loud sound and some machine make the soft sound. Have you listened this sound? Again, listen the sound of this machine. You are listening the sound of machine right now. Look at this. Okay, have you listened the machine sound? Machines also make the sounds. Okay, in your house you can see the juicer, blender, washing machine, mama sewing machine. Okay, it's make the sounds. You have a fridge in your home, so you can listen the fridge sound also, but it is the soft sound. Okay, but many different machines have loud sound. Okay, my dearest student, keep in your mind that machines also make sounds. Okay, what about the TV? TV is a machine. It makes sounds. When you're watching cartoons, how you listen the sound? And there are many other machines. For example, this one is the swing machine. This one is the swing machine. And what about the washing machine? It makes also sound. Okay. What about the juicer blender? In juicer blender, mama makes juice for you. Okay. What about this sound? Yes, this is the loud sound. But my topic is this with you that machines make sounds also. So I hope you have the clear understanding about the different sounds which I have shared with you. Now that this time I have started conclusion. In conclusion, the topic which I have shared with you, now I am making a sum up of this topic. Sound is the form of energy. As all of you know that sound is the form of energy and sound means something that can be heard. Sound means that can be heard. That can be heard. And types of sound are loud and soft sound. Animals also make sounds. Animals also makes sound. My dearest student, now this time get ready for the screenshot of your home task. Get ready for the screenshot of your home task. I am showing you. First of all, do the book exercise from page number 66 and 67. In your book, you have page number 66 and 67, different exercise, and I am showing you your book pages here. This one is your book page 66. In your book page number 66, what you will do? You will complete it by the different animals make different sounds. What sounds do these animals make? So, as I have shared with you that elephant sound is trumpet, parrot sound is chip, frog sound is frog, grasshopper sound is chip, and the lion sound is roar. What about the lion sound? Roar. Take the screenshot of this slide because this will be helpful for your completing your home task. Okay, my dearest student? And in this book page 67, we have an activity about exercise about select from the list below the things that make loud sound and those that make the soft sound. Put them in the correct column. So there is a motorcycle. Think about the name which I am sharing with you. That motorcycle sound loud or soft? Definitely loud. Drum, loud. Clock, soft. Bell, loud. Cat, sometimes soft. And rickshaw, loud sound. Bicycle, soft sound. Rain, soft sound. I hope you will complete it yourself, okay? And make a this in this activity, inshallah ta'ala, when you will become in school, then I will make a guitar for you by this activity. Okay? But you have to complete this page number 66 and 67 activity. Okay? Now come to the home task. Okay, again come on the home task. I have shared with you book exercise from page number 66 and 67. Now the question number 1, define sound. Answer on slide number 6. But you have to take the screenshot of this home task, then I will show you answer. Okay. Define sound answer on slide number 6. I will show you that slide number 6 for you. Sound is a form of energy. Sound travel in waves and can be heard. Before starting this slide, I have shared with you that you have to take the screenshot of this slide because this will be, I have added in your home task. Okay, my dearest student, you have to take it. Take the screenshot of this slide. I hope you took it. I hope you took it. Now, moving towards the home task again. Moving towards the home task again. So I am showing you again your home task. Look at this. This one is your home task picture. How do we make and hear sounds? Answer on slide number 8. Okay? Answer on slide number 8, which I am showing you right now. Question number 1 answer you have taken you have took the picture of you have taken the picture of define sound answer. Now this time I am showing the how do we make and hear sound answer. This one is present answer slide number 8. Take the screenshot of slide number 8. Voices and we hear sound with our ears. This one is the answer number 2. We make sound with our voices and we hear sound with our ears. Okay, my dearest student, take the screenshot of this answer. And this answer is also present in your book, page number 64. You can take the help of your book also. In your book, page number 64, you can find the answer. How can we make and hear sounds? So we make sound with our voices and we hear sound with our ears. So I hope you have taken the screenshot of this slide. Now again come to the home task. Again come to the home task. Okay. Question number 3, what you will do? Write any 6 animals name with their sound. This one is for you. You will make a list of 6 animals with their sound. Okay. Any 6 animals you will write in your copy but with their sounds. I have shared the many animals with their sounds, but you have to select any 6 animals and you will write the name of their sounds. Question number 4, draw any one soft and loud sound object with their name. What you will do, my dearest student, first you will draw any one soft and loud sound object in their copies. In soft object, you can draw the picture of flute. You have observed that is the musical instrument F-L-U-T-E, flute. And in the loud sound, you can draw the drum picture. Okay, beta, I have a hint for you. If you have any other choice for drawing, any one soft and loud sound, you can draw it. You can draw it. Okay, my dearest student. So I hope you have the clear understanding about your today's unit number 16 sound and you got the home task carefully. Now this time I am showing you the picture of your this home task again, and thank you from my side.